Hello friends, welcome to my new channel Digital Sale On. Myself Muhammad Mustafa, I'm basically from India and I'm having around 20 years of experience. I'm into SAP Security and GRC technology, and also I'm running my retail and wholesale business. Okay, what is the reason behind I'm creating this channel and creating this YouTube videos? The reason is when I was working in the companies, I found one problem. Many candidates are telling me that we are not getting the job, we are not getting the calls, kind of thing. So the main reason, there are many reasons, I know there are many reasons, but the main reason what I found is the candidate not having a sufficient skill. See, our generation is changing, our technologies are also changing. So due to that, we need to upgrade ourselves as per the generation, as per the technologies, right? So that's the reason the most of the people or most of the candidates not getting the job. A second problem is the candidates are ready to learn. The candidates are ready to learn the particular skill. They cannot afford the fees. When he is approaching the institutions, online trainer, they are charging huge amount. He cannot afford it. He will not show interest on that. So that's the reason. So what I done is, as I told you, I'm having more than 20 years of experience and I'm having good network and I'm having good connections. So, and I am collecting different training documents, training videos from the different resources, and I am giving to you on affordable price. I'm not just selling my courses. I am providing you all the detailed course. What is the demand for the course? What is the average salary for the course? Who can do this course? Okay, and how they can avail this course. And then I will give the option whether you can buy or not. That is your wish. Now today I am going to show you SAP Security GRC. The demand for this course, average salary for this course, who can do this course, and full-time jobs, remote jobs, everything. First I will show in my screen live, and then I will again give more insight onto the SAP Security and GRC course. Now I am sharing my screen to you. I will go to the Chrome. Okay, first I will use Google Gemini. You people know what is tool about. I will ask a question. Okay, first we'll check what is the demand for SAP Security and GRC in US 2024. You can write as US, UK, whichever country you belong to, and give this prompt. Okay, now you will get. I'll just copy this question. Okay, so here we are checking what is the demand for SAP Security and GRC course. Okay, the demand for SAP Security and GRC in US in 2024 is high and continues to grow due to several factors. There are several factors are there. You just go through this information provided by Gemini. Okay, the same thing we are going to find out in ChatGPT. Okay, I'll go to ChatGPT and I'll insert the same key so that we will come to know whether we are getting the same result or not. Okay. Now the demand for SAP Security and Governance, Risk and Compliance in the US is strong in 2024 due to several key trends. Okay, there are many reasons they are given here. So you just go through this inputs. For what reason the demand for SAP Security and GRC is growing. Fine. So this is what I show you. Now I will go to Google and I'll search SAP Security and GRC jobs in US 2024. So see here, you can see 762 SAP GRC jobs in United States. In that 93 new are added, 75 plus jobs in Indeed, 6,000 jobs in LinkedIn. So Glassdoor 108 jobs, then 50 plus SAP Security GRC jobs, and in ZipRecruiter, if you are working from home or maybe it's a remote job, they are paying you $67 to $79 per hour. Okay, so there are many jobs like DICE, SAP Security jobs. Then again same thing, ZipRecruiter, SAP Security Consultant jobs. This is SAP Contract. This is also good website. Okay, so even you can change your country here. For example, USA to UK, and then just check it here. There will find many jobs here again. CS 11 SAP GRC jobs in United Kingdom, 116 SAP Security Consultant jobs in United Kingdom. Okay, 283 SAP Security jobs in UK. There are many jobs are there for UK. So it means that the demand for this course is high, as well as there are plenty of jobs in the market on SAP Security and GRC. Okay, because every company need security. Okay, now I'll search one more thing here. SAP Security and GRC remote jobs I'll just search. Okay, remote jobs in UK. So you can see there are this all information is regarding remote jobs. There are plenty of jobs remote, so you can work from home and you can provide your service. Even I'll search it in for USA. See here, you can see 167 SAP Security jobs in United States. Indeed, LinkedIn 6000, 75 in Indeed, Glassdoor 27 jobs. There are plenty of jobs for remote jobs. Okay, so it means that the demand good job openings for SAP Security and GRC. So one more thing we will check you here. SAP Security GRC average salary in USA 2024. I'll put this. Okay, this is average salary. So as of October 2024, the average hourly pay for SAP GRC Security in the United States is 69.69.
In this PPT, I'm going to give a detailed information about SAP Security and GRC.
And SAP Security and GRC consultant in the United States is
see, I have seen many people or many employees or candidates, they are planning to do any course.
Average salary.
What they will do is see those people who are
the demand for
working
this course
in abroad,
is high. So you can try for this job.
Okay,
now I will take you to another PPT where I will show you, I will give you all the
earning very handsome salary. That's the reason they want to do
security and
so before we need to learn any skill or any course, we should know about the in and out of that course. So that help us whether it is suitable to my qualification or not, whether it is suitable to my nature or not. Everything we need to know before we are going to learn. From this PPT, I'm going to cover most of the topics, like I'll give introduction about SAP Security and GRC, then who can do this course, and what is the positive perception for this doing course, then what is the negative perception, then where and how to do this course. So and the last is best option to do this course. I'll give you various options. Okay, you can go ahead and you can avail that course. It's depend upon you. Let's launch this session. Introduction, I'm going to cover about SAP, then SAP Security module and SAP GRC module. SAP ERP software company. So ERP in the sense Enterprise Resource Planning, and this company is German based company, and I guess 4 to 5 employees of IBM they started this company, and nowadays this company is biggest software company in the world. And the ERP packages which they are selling to the customers are very costly, because see most of the business units they are purchasing their packages based on their requirement and business process. So according to that they are selling ERP packages, but it is costly compared to other softwares. Mostly used by 500 fortune companies in the world, or you can say there are many big manufacturing industries they are using SAP. Real time or immediately data recorded. In the sense in SAP we are calling SAP R/3, that is R means real time and 3 means 3 tier. Real time in the sense whenever we do any kind of transactions, that will immediately available in the database. Fully customizable business requirement. Okay, now I'm going to talk about SAP Security model. There are two things in that. One is user administration and role administration. In user administration, whoever working in this company, you are managing the database of users. That is called user administration. Sometimes the new employees are joining your company, so you are maintaining the data. The existing employees resigning your company, in this case, like you are maintaining that data. You are maintaining the whole data, of users who are working in your organization. Role administration, see every person is having different role. For example, in vendor management, his role is like he is enrolling the vendors, then he is updating the bank details and bank payment methods like check, ACH, SWIFT. Okay, his role is limited. So you are providing role to the particular person. You can only authorize to do that. So you are giving a different role to the different users, and you are managing those roles. That is called role administration. And third is reports, in the sense, for example, your higher manager or your company asking you to report, like whoever newly joined in this organization, whoever terminated from this organization in this month. So you have to give the full information in the form of reports. Now I am going to talk about SAP GRC. The GRC is stand for Governance Risk Compliances. As GRC comes because to manage the fraud. So here what happens is providing the right roles to the right person, providing limited authorization to the users. I mean, one person cannot access all the things. Monitor roles and authorization assigned to user. Not only that, we are going to monitor the roles and authorization provided to the users so that we can manage the fraud. Who can do this course? So any graduate or any postgraduate, still you can make your career in SAP Security and GRC. Not only in SAP Security GRC, you can make career in SAP. Who want to make their career in IT? Most of the people working in administration, most of the people are working in marketing and sales, and they want to make their career in IT. Definitely for them there is a best opportunity to make their career in IT by doing SAP courses. Whose English communication is good? Talking to the client, we require English communication. This fresher needs certification. If you are certified, only then you will get the job. Because whenever the company is hiring candidates, they are hiring candidates based upon the client requirement. The client never ever asks to hire freshers. He asks to hire an experienced candidate. So in this case, they will look for the candidates who are most experienced in that particular area, particular skill set. What is a positive perception? One is you are going to get handsome salary. No doubt, as I show you before, how much salary, the average salary for US citizens or UK citizens, worldwide job opportunity. So you can see the lot of opportunity worldwide. It is not specific to country. So worldwide, many manufacturers, many big companies are using this software, and so you have opportunity to do jobs worldwide. Easy to learn. I mean, most of the people, like, they are not engineers, they are not from the computer background. So it is easy to learn. No coding or programming is required. Any graduate becomes software engineer. If you are from any graduation, so if you do this course and if you make your career, even you will become software engineer. Okay. Negative perception. Like, no job for freshers. As I told you, there is a no job for freshers because the client requirement is not to hire freshers, but until certified. If you will get a job as a fresher, you will get a job once you certified. Good English communication skill required. Multi-module knowledge required. See, as I told you, like SAP Security and GRC, these are the two different modules. Even see, SAP Security and GRC, if you know this, you will get the job. But once you get the job, even you need to learn multiple modules. So depend upon your client requirement, depend upon your company requirement. So you need to ready for that. Be updated. In the sense, like, whenever technologies will change, you need to upgrade yourself. Suppose now the SAP ECC to Fury or S4 HANA we call. So in this case, you need to update yourself accordingly. Now, where and how to do this course? Okay. So you can learn this course from various sources. See, I have provided 4 sources for you. It's your wish, whatever the sources you want. Okay, you can take it. That is your wish. The first option what I am giving you is recorded videos. I am giving you SAP Security and GRC videos, study materials and ebooks. So these are all recorded videos. And in this recorded videos, you can find the trainer is explaining about the real-time ticket depend upon the topic which he is going to teach. In this video, I'm basic to pro and pro to advanced. 2 training videos I'm providing in this package. So if you want this recorded videos, you just go to my link in the description and check out. Okay, once you paid, so you are getting downloadable links so that you can download all the videos, all the material, all the study material to your PC or laptop. The second option is you can learn from me. As I told you before, I am into SAP Security and GRC. So I will teach you live and I will answer you all the queries. Whenever I will finish a particular topic, if you have any questions, I will clarify your answers. Then I will discuss topic wise interview questions. I mean, whenever I will teach any specific topic, I will give interview questions, how to answer those interview questions. So the interviewer, the panel, how he will ask questions and what are the questions will arise on that particular topic, I will definitely discuss with you. So these are the 2 options I am having. Again, you have third party option, like you can go to the institutions and you can learn. Again, it depends upon like the training institution, depend upon the trainer, depend upon the location. Even you will get online trainer. So the online trainer also charging very high amount here, the knowledge of the trainer. So how much time he is giving to you. So all are depend. So that I am giving you option to you to you can avail any option. Now I am showing you the recorded videos which I am giving you for $18. So here you can see SAP Security and GRC full course. So first of all, I will show you SAP Security Basic to Advanced. See, you don't start from the GRC. Please start from the SAP Security. If you know security only, then you can handle GRC. So SAP Security Basic to Advanced, if I click this folder, you can get Basic to Pro. In this Basic to Pro, this is course is designed like who are very beginners. So here, how many videos are available? 16 videos are available, as well as you are getting some documents to refer. This is the one document called dictation notes we call. I mean, whatever the trainer is teach in the class or video wise, so all the information, all the screenshot we are recorded here. For example, see whatever he taught in the first session, so we recorded here, so we make the notes. And then again video second, these are the video second notes, and we mark that what is explained. Okay, so everything we recorded here in the form of dictation notes, so you can refer it. Is whenever you want to recap yourself, you need not to go through again video, just to go through the notes, that is enough. It will give you the full information. Once you finish this basic to pro, go to pro to advanced. Okay, here we can get how many videos? 15 videos again. Okay, so one more folder is there. So here some 8 important questions are discussed here practically. Study material. With this one, we are providing the study material. These are the study material we are providing here. Authorization tab, composite derived roles, then profile and roles concept. These are all related to SAP security only. Again, this is about SAP security. Now I will show you one more folder, SAP security and GRC ebooks. See here you can get multiple ebooks so that you can refer yourself and you can update. I am going to SAP GRC folder. I'll show you. Again here, part 1, you are getting 6 videos here, and in part 2, we are getting again some 7 to 8 videos you are getting here. So here some documents also you are getting, because whatever the trainer is taught in that video, those documents. Third one is again here some 5 to 6 videos. One more video is here. So 5 to 6 videos are there. So again you can refer those videos. Again SAP Security and GRC notes. Again you can find out these are the documents related to GRC only. Go to the link below. I provided you. Once you make the payment, you will get immediately downloadable links so that you can download all the steps to your laptop or PC, and you can refer and you can read and you can update yourself. I'll just recap this. SAP Security Basic to Pro, you are getting total 16 videos plus 16 training video dictation notes, study material plus ebooks. And SAP Security Pro to Advanced, you are getting total 15 videos plus 15 training videos, dictation notes plus study material, and 8 interview question answer explanation video which I show you before. SAP GRC Basic to Advanced, you are getting total 18 videos plus training video, dictation notes plus study material. If you want this recorded video, you can go to the link which I provided below in this video description. So second is option is, if you want to learn from me, so you can WhatsApp me to my number 8123497100. Additionally, you will get bonus. I'm also teaching S4 HANA Fury. SAP is moving to ECC to cloud. So that's the reason most of the companies, they are asking requirement at S4 HANA and Fury. If you are enrolling a live session, so I will teach you SAP Security, GRC as well as S4 HANA Fury. I know one person, he is providing lab access worldwide. So even I am using his lab access, because I will share his number. You can contact him. He will charge around 800 to 1000 rupee per month as per India. You talk to him and get the access, lab access, okay, to practice. In this description, I have provided popular and demanding courses. The list I have provided. If you want any courses, you can go through. If you not find any courses, or if you are looking for some other courses, just let me know so that I will check my database. I will also check from my network and connections, then I'll get it for you. And please share my video to your friends and relatives and who are career aspirants and then students, so that help them to grow their career. Thank you very much for watching my video, and thank you very much for your valuable time.